Stop that song there, cause that song that kind of little bit emotion. Playing that song is not pertaining to that, but that's the voice of Freddie McGregor. You know, I don't really come on Instagram that much because I've been busy, taking care of a lot of stuff, working on some stuff for LiQWYD, my artist, and other stuff on the label. Cause you know, I have my own record label and all of that, MCCS music label. Big up all these people that have been supporting the label, from Ginger, Vegas, everybody, and Tony B, everyone that have been supporting the label and all of that. But you know, when it comes a time when we have to come on live and voice our opinion about something or shine the light on something, and I guess this weekend was the end of Reggae Soundfest, and in other words, I call it Reggae Loose Fest. You know, Reggae Soundfest remind me of Sting. You know what I mean? Those two events. I can say that Rebel Salute have been running, and have been running very good for over these years and maintain the quality of Rebel Salute. And Rebel Salute is a show that people should look forward to because it have maintained the substance in it. Sting have lost the substance. Reggae Soundfest have lost the substance. And when you look at what take place at Reggae Soundfest, you have to ask yourself, say, is that something that how do you feel to take up your money and go pay for an event like that when at the end of the day, it's in other words, it's garbage? For a person like Joe Bogdanov that have been doing this for a while, should have known better. And the team that's around Reggae Soundfest, they're not a good team. Even Scatter Barrel should have known better than that. If they're making selection of artists, how to make good selection of artists, and the embarrassment that comes with Reggae Soundfest. And it shows you how people do not respect reggae music, and how these damagers comes in and said that they want to be a part of the culture, but end up damaging the culture. And last night is a good example of showing you the damage of the culture of our reggae music. And also Olivier Babsy Green, that's supposed to be in charge of the culture and all of that. The embarrassment that I've been keeping up in our music industry over the years and continuous have been, it is crazy. It come like the damage of the Prime Minister have caused a damage to Jamaica and the Jamaican community and the poorer Jamaica get. When you look at what they did to Freddie McGregor last night, it is a slap in the face, and it's also a slap to the culture, and it's also a slap in the face to Freddie McGregor for how Freddie McGregor have contributed to reggae music and our culture for over the years and years and years and years and years and years, right? And what I realize with a lot of these people that saying that they're a part of our culture, are coming in, taking our culture, they are gatekeepers that don't want to let nobody in. When you take a look at what happened last night, I would say that most of the singers delivered, not only last night, most of the singers have delivered on Reggae Soundfest. They deliver. Majority of the singer. I am not a fan of TJ, but I watched his performance, and his performance was not bad at all. Right? TJ performance was not bad. And for the guy, Veletan, his performance wasn't too bad. As always, the veteran artists them have delivered. Admiral Bailey, Leroy Gibbons, all of these artists, these 90s artists and 70s artists have delivered as always. And you have to applaud them for that. But I will tell you that as far as I'm concerned, the rest of the artists that perform on Reggae Soundfest are garbage. And not only that, they are garbage. As a matter of fact, let me rephrase that. Their performance and their music is garbage. And it is a degrade to the culture of our reggae music when there is so much singers and so much great artists out there. And I have another part to talk about that some of these artists in the business, I don't think it's time for them to give up the music business and put in other artists into it. When you look at Reggae Soundfest last night, we're going to talk about Freddie McGregor, right? what I notice about Jamaica industry, and I'm going to put Olivier Babsy-Green in this. Anytime an artist reach, right, a point where they feel like they're going to die, is when Jamaica gatekeepers decided that they want to honor these artists. When Alton Ellis was sick, it was the same thing. When Gregory Isaac, it is the same thing. Look what happened to Gregory Isaac when Gregory Isaac dead. Them could even bury Gregory Isaac. Right? Look at John Holt, it's the same thing. Look at all the artists that they honored in Jamaica. They either on the urge of going out or in a condition where they think that they're going out, and that's when they figure say they want to honor them. Right? Now, Freddie McGregor have suffered a stroke. Freddie McGregor is one of my artists. I rate Freddie McGregor music. I have nothing against Freddie McGregor. As a matter of fact, I speak to Freddie about few months ago, few times we talked to him. Before the stroke, I spoke to Freddie McGregor on the phone, and we were supposed to be doing some work and all that, and we never follow up with it, and then the strokes happened. And Freddie McGregor is a good person. I also blame Freddie McGregor kids. I blame Freddie McGregor kids that should be representing your father. You also is a part of the problem that you feel of representing your father and feel to stand up. Now, if Freddie McGregor did not suffer strokes, would Freddie McGregor be on Reggae Soundfest? That is a question that only Joe Bogdanovan can answer and Scatterbarrel. If Freddie did not suffer strokes, would Freddie McGregor be on Soundfest? Now, when you look at Soundfest and the garbage them with them put on, big up to Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee have delivered. You understand what I'm saying? No, Alkaline was not there. Spice was not there. Billy Red One, when I really care about her music, what's she name, Sensi or whatever, me don't care about her music, I don't really care about her. She was not there. I never see Marcia Griffiths there. I end up didn't see, who else I didn't see there? I didn't see Luciana there. I didn't see some of these great singers. Me never see Ginger did it. Me never see the Morgan Heritage there. I never see Ken Boot or those singers that was there. And I did not see Patra there also. I did not see who else was not there as great artists in Jamaica. Great artists. Me never see Ghost there. I don't remember seeing Singing Melody there. I never remember seeing LiQWYD there. And if any of these artists that I call their name, that was there and I miss it because I watch a lot of it, then you can correct me. I did not see a Maxi Priest there, for example. All these great artists that we have was not at Reggae Soundfest. Joe Bogdanovan have picked up these little amateur artists that don't have a good craft. You don't know what category to put them in, and put them on the stage and call them an artist, and that is what they're putting out there. No, first of all, Freddie McGregor get a strokes, right? We understand so Freddie McGregor up in a stage and stuff happen and all of that, and we're glad that he's recovering from it, and I hope that he will continue to recover and he can get around and all of that. You know what I mean? Seeing Freddie McGregor last night remind me of Tarrus Riley and remind me of Jimmy Riley. And also why I'm in that category, I did not see Davel there. A great artist like Davel was not there. So I want to know who are the one who picked these artists to put these artists in front of people. No. First of all, Freddie McGregor should have never performed on that show last night. He should have never performed on that show last night. And I believe that Reggae Soundfest have done this to Freddie McGregor of trying to be the first one on the table to say that Freddie McGregor have performed on the biggest show just in case if something happened to Freddie McGregor. right? It comes down to a thing of credibility or who do something first. And then at the same time, Freddie McGregor is a person who have great voice, wonderful voice, good pitch. And Freddie McGregor try his best under his condition to deliver. Which what Reggae Soundfest should have done, if you really want to play a tribute to Freddie McGregor or honor Freddie McGregor for all the work that he have done while he's still alive, they should have planned different. They have the money and fix it away where guess what happened? Freddie McGregor should have been sitting in that chair and all these artists like Romy and Virgo and all this rest of, may ever see Dexter that there either, should have been there paying tribute to Freddie McGregor, singing a Freddie McGregor song, singing to him and show him how he have impacted their life, for their life to become who they is and how they appreciate his music. That's what should have happened last night. And then Freddie McGregor kids them should have make sure, say, listen, my father is not going to perform and all that. He's not in the best state of mind. His health condition is getting better, but he's not there to be performing. I think that if you don't want him to perform, you should come up with a better plan, play tribute to Freddie McGregor. And there's nothing wrong with giving Freddie McGregor an award and say, okay, year's achievement and so forth. That would have been well received. You understand what I'm saying? Nobody have paid no tribute to Freddie McGregor. But if the mercy of God said tomorrow morning, say, I'm ready for Freddie McGregor, everybody's going to get up and everybody's going to have a point and everybody's going to play a Freddie McGregor song and everybody's going to say, oh, Freddie is a good person and oh, Freddie this and Freddie that and all that. But people only pay tribute to people when they're dead. People only honor people when time them know so them are go dead. People only honor people in the music industry when time there is a problem. Just to make for themselves look good. That should have never happened last night. Because watching Freddie McGregor performing, it actually touched a part of me. And the reason why it touched a part of me is that Freddie McGregor's voice and his music that I used to and we used to, he could not sing those songs. And see that they bring him out there. It's like a terrifying situation. It's like them beat the man and put him in a chair to get the crowd to sorry for him. You understand what I'm saying? Not evil. If you say, let's have a word of prayer. All the prayer warrior. Let's have a word of prayer for Freddie and his recovery of what it is. You understand what I'm saying? More could have done. And when you look at the box of the music, you got Freddie McGregor, you got Ken Boothe, you got, I'm talking down in that category. You have, who else you have in that category? You have Bob Andy, I think it's Bob Andy, I don't remember which one of them died. People in that category, right, that we have left. We don't have a Gregory, we don't have a Dennis Brown, and we don't have a John Note, and we don't have a Alton Ellis. You understand what I'm saying? These people should be the value of these people and the respect of these people and what our culture should done for these people, right? The one that are alive and the one that are no longer here with us and all that. It is a slap in the face and an embarrassment. I remember when Pat Kelly died. You understand? I remember Pat Kelly was singing The Mood for Love. The industry did not even. I remember going to the funeral there, Desmond McKenzie